It wasn't that long ago that I was looking through some YouTube channels. I was looking for some new bushcraft channels I wanted to follow, and just kind of looking around, and I came across some channels, and one of them I started watching, and that's BugoutBushcraft. And a couple of videos into me watching him, I believe he reached his 500 subscriber appreciation giveaway, and so I thought, what the heck, put me in. And so I threw my name in the hat. Lo and behold, I was the 3rd place winner, and I received this package here a few days ago, and I thought I would save it for this weekend and open this thing up. So let me get this thing open, and heck. Well, that's what I got. All the way from Scotland. Isn't that just magnificent? Little handmade leather sheath. And look what's inside. Look at this great folder. It's a 2-bladed folder. Pretty good sized knife, you know. I think I'm going to carry that knife. I like that. Get out of there. I might use it quicker than you think. Isn't that a sweet knife? Well, what a great gift that is. Well, you guys need to go over and check him out. BugoutBushcraft, and I have forgotten his name. Anyway, it'll come to me, but I'm going to dedicate this video to him, BugoutBushcraft. And he's over in Scotland, and he's a great bushcrafter. I think we all need to be checking him out, subscribe him, like, and get him much more deserved subs. So, all right, well, with that said, we're going to finish this up and get down the road. Over and out. Keep on bushcrafting.